How to fix your phone screen flickering. It's very quick and easy fix, so let's get into it. Before we start, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative content. On that note, let's begin. First of all, open your phone settings and then you can scroll all the way down to get to your developers option. If you don't know how to turn it on, you can go to your about phone section, go to software information, and tap on the build number repeatedly. After you do that, you can just go back really quick and your developers option should be there. Once you open it, you can scroll all the way down to find this option that says disable HW overlays. So sometimes the apps like Messenger that uses mobile overlay that displays over other apps can cause your screen to flicker. So if you disable this, your screen flickering problem should be solved. I hope this was helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.